Hello, my people, Kepu TV, and today, Friday, the 14th day of March 2025, AXA is showing the world the capacity and also brilliant nature of His Excellency Dr. L.S. Chioma Oti. Today, I allow children our FAULKS Road shop our brother and our friend and our ONYEGBULA plumbing solution. So exhibition of ONYEGBULA plumbing solution. So always so many things that you needed to see. Always so many things you got you got to know you get this type of thing. Back honor money we keep this type of plate. So you can see the address at number 66, 68, and also 47 FAULKS Road, ONYEGBULA plumbing solution. So ahụ m ọgamasị m maka m soro bịa onye isi ka ego si aja biko ka ife na-eme ebe a biko ahụrụ m ya onye nọ ka a na-arụ họteelụ ebe a sị na arụ ebe bịagburu anya ma ahụchakwala m ma oche so many chairs here so ọ dịla ahụla ọ bụrụ ONYEGBULA onwe n'eziokwu eje ahụ anyị isi so biko ahụrụ m na ihe nlekere Ohila. So because follow us on this ride what we show you around. Let us go on your phone. I don't know what about my time we are going to call it. I was not going to choose. I got plumbing material in me. In the plumbing material, because a guy who go to because when you go there, you full. Can you name because all of the days are lazy. Okay. You name me back. Thank you. As you can see, I have a lot of things here. Yeah. This is a cabinet set. Yeah, but you can keep it at the dining. Yeah. You can be everywhere. And the one we have is acrylic. It's not just plywood. Yeah. It's a water resistant. Okay. Water resistant. Yeah. Oh, one day here. Oh, a lot of things. We have this. You can use it as a standard dining basin. It's like dining basin. So in a corner, him now now. If I can afford it, a guy saying I got my investment in motor or money. If I can afford it, I can buy it. You can buy it. Him now tell the big man. You can do it. I have a lot of things. We have a lot of things. This one now with a light. Lighting it up. It's like this. We have a single. Your office yes on weekend. You can see so many things. Shower room, shower this, everything. You have everything. Here that available because your design on your bag. I said I don't tell you. All the Napani, so I can apply so because this one I believe one. So I am not gonna hand on Uzo. So this gas cooker. Yes. Gas cooker. You know, we have a lot of things. We have a shower, condition shower. Condition shower in different model, different both sweet home. Anything you can mention. I know what I need to see here. I won't get celebrity plumbers. That we fit in all this kind of. I won't get a standing celebrity plumber that do it. Like you can see, this is shower room. Yeah, you can see they are already working on it. This is celebrity plumber. Kind of shower room, any other thing, name it. Elevator. I they're just fixing it, you know. Okay, now I'm not going to the seat. You can open massage. Massage here. You can massage. Oh, yes. You can these are articles where you can put at the consume. Yes. A parlor or anywhere. Or sit out or even staircase. Yeah. As I see, we have a kitchen hood, different type. Okay, another dimension. This one has, touch. Yes, it has a 3 lights. This one is toilet hand dryer. Yes, we have it. We have the gold, we have the white, we have the black.
In stock. These are samples.
Then we have a golden toilet. Okay, now hold on. Okay, girl, you saw you school.
Chimney.
Chimney.
This is what we call chimney. Chimney kitchen hood.
Okay.
Which you can smoke. You make it not an boy and again you like a
chimney.
Hello, chimney. Fast speed. Lights on. Lights off.
I don't want in an email. I know why. This
is what we call surface. Surface conduit toilet. Yeah.
Surface.
This one is internal. Yes.
She got golden. This is surface one. Come on out here. And all the accessories. Pineapple. More than pineapple.
So we have a lot of designs of toilets. Which anyone you want.
For hotel or for homes?
For hotel and home. All luxury or nothing.
Luxury smart. Okay, these are toilet seats.
We have a lot of toilet seats.
Different toilet seats. Yeah.
So many design.
So you can him now.
So many design. That's so many design.
About we no. Solar panel. In the phone now. Could you see my good?
Oh, that's the opening.
I see you can make your city. Or with your blood.
You can do it, you say.
Remember that you somehow. Hey, I come out one show. Wow.
As a member of our governor, they make her in the I was in there with hello. You know, I asked in Aba. Again, we had that.
I'm telling you,
no need of you to go to Lagos or going to China. You don't need to and we have it in stock. You don't just have it as a sample.
Yes,
and we some of our clients we give them guarantee and warranty. Anything you bought here, we can give you warranty of 1 year. Anything that happened to it, come and consult us. We are here to solve the problem.
But why you be? I know. I'm going to buy. I know they can
now 147 Fox Road, opposite to Wigwe, near King Solomon Event Center.
Yes.
Na Fox Road.
ONYEGBULA
plumbing solution. Yes.
Even if you could so, but they will
not kill yourself.
So these are certainly what took us to.
These are showers.
Okay.
Showers.
Make us small celebrity. When come guys are busy for one, come on one photo one, physical of one. Okay, these are celebrity and so many things. So many. What was it?
These are the imbued wall hunk.
Wall
hunk. Wall hunk toilet. Yeah.
Hey, I have seen so many.
Call it WC.
Yeah.
And we have a swimming pool stuff. With the ties, yeah.
Okay, yes, I have seen the ties. My hand have been in the swimming pool.
We have everything. All the ties. Both the fittings and all the
yeah, these are ties and the swimming pool. I can see.
Some of this water heater we sell it. We sell it in a wholesale. Wholesale price.
Hot and what?
Yeah, water heater. You can set the speed. You can set everything.
Yeah.
And allow it to be. You can put it in a club.
This is good. This is really awesome. I am so happy coming here and also partnering with the people that is a partnerable.
Yes.
They are someone who reads psychology of learning the human perspective. And I'm this is ONYEGBULA plumbing solution. Solution. My health solution before.
Luxury or nothing. Luxury or nothing.
Premium or nothing. So all the capable, and the reliable, and the dependable, and they have a reputation to protect.
Yes.
Find a thread in all currency. It's a work very good in all walks of life, especially I said so whatever you do in this life, always remember to partner with the best. Don't worry, capable hands. I won't give San Diego contract agaga furugi futere do the no so they also say that they are selling on guarantee. Yes. Man is a won't give me a business obe ko ige n'elu. Gas chai anu maybe to nanya that no way I can be able to return this, that no way I can be able to change this, that no way they could be able to refund me. So they have a name, they have a reputation, they have an antecedent, they have so many things to protect. That is why they stick on the best, and they stick to depend on the best. So there's a people, when you buy from them, when you trade with them, when you do business with them, you got the rest assured that you are getting the best. Plumber, plumber. So all him now about today. So I say Kamasi go Hanesi. Go see name na obe. Yeah, yes,
yes. Come and see how this one is.
Hold on, I also.
You will get the last.
Okay, now
the last two here.
Papa. Okay, where now, my?
There's a phone available.
Church, okay, my another.
But I don't know about one on the side. There about one ever now.
Let's see you have drink. Hey, Chileke. They got Bama.
You know, can take that.
We are now
everywhere now.
Although we can just say I can't. Imam the name of your offer for everywhere. Okay. They must so believe that they are saying. Okay, I feel everywhere. ONYEGBULA plumbing solution. As a celebrity plumber, so many things is happening here, and I'm so happy being here. Oh, on Amata, why be I inside? Be very careful. So this is ONYEGBULA TV. So we are always using our time more than we chance to show the world. Here, my name is Abia. I won't bother. So can we this platform now? One of your name is Abia Said and X. This is the Friday edition of ONYEGBULA TV. Being Friday, the 14th day of March 2025. And on Ihuaro, and on 147 Fox Road, ONYEGBULA plumbing solution, the giants, and also even Aba. I'm
play the show.
I'm telling you. It is sure I go for now. So of him. I got called to everywhere. I will do this everywhere. So many things. So the governor, one thing about him. On all your people the purpose video, all your people the useful.
Yes.
I won't behind it. Who say man no there is not a nice maker. So yes, once all who video honor, you will hear now. So you will hear now. So we are open national. We walk with your out to. This is ONYEGBULA TV, and also stay tuned and also stay blessed for more information.